Hi everyone, today we have our mailbox. We will check what we have today. First of all, we have another Game Boy Advance. And we have our 4 cards. For sure this one need a new polarizer. And it have a different color cover. Also what we have here. We have 2 games, Toy Shop and Suit Life. And we have this international shipments. This collection from our country. It's a local package, and this and these from AliExpress. What we have here, wow, we have a Game Boy Advance battery cover. I think it matches this color, but this one is a little bit yellowed. It needs to be restored. I bought this one for the other Game Boy Advance, which you already have. It's also need another polarizer, so we will make 2 separate videos for each one of this GBA devices to restore each one. Let's test this one. Oh, it's not working. Nothing at all. So it needs some fixes. It has no power. Okay. What we have else? Yeah. Another IPS modification from High Speed, of course. Yeah, high speed from AliExpress. This one for the Game Boy Pocket. Yeah, we have caps for Nintendo Switch Joy-Con. Let's test this to check if it fits or not. This is my Nintendo Switch. This color matching ones. Okay. Yeah, it's cool. Another package. Yeah, touch screen for Nintendo DS Lite. And the last one. Screen lens for the Nintendo Game Boy DMG. I think I bought 4 of this. Yeah, that's 4. That's it for this video. And please, if you liked this video and you want more of this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.